Shift our attention now to more breaking updates coming in the Sambal Temple Truth. The ASI team is in Sambal today and will begin the carbon dating. It's a possibility that today the carbon dating will take place. Security has been stepped up in Sambal. The puja and the aarti continues in the temple. And today the ASI could conduct a carbon dating, which could decipher when the temple is from, where the idols are from, how many years back does it date back to. All of these details will be out once the carbon dating is done. My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pradeep, the ASI is expected to be in Sambal. Take us through what's happening there, what's expected today, and the security arrangements that have been put in place.
Yes, I am outside the temple here in Sambal. You rightly said that Archaeological Survey of India team will be coming out to this place. 4-member team will be reaching here anytime and they will be conducting carbon dating. With the help of the carbon dating, they will get to know about the age of this temple. This temple was opened last week when all of a sudden during anti-encroachment drive, officials stumbled upon this temple. They found the lock hanging. When the lock was broken, they found that there was inside, there was idol of Hanumana, there was a shivling, and since that you can see large number of devotees started coming out to this place, and today morning also you can see large number of them performing aarti, puja and many other things. So with the help of this carbon dating, they will get to know the truth about this temple, because this temple had been locked since 1978, because in 1978 this Sambal area, they saw the worst ever riots, because that triggered displacement of the Hindus from this area, and since then the temple was locked. It was during anti-encroachment drive, authorities came to know about this temple and finally the temple was opened. Let me speak to the Pandit ji of this temple also. आज पंडित जी जो है यहाँ पे आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे की टीम आनी है, तो कैसे देखते हैं आप?
देखिएगा, हमको पता चला है कि 10 बजे यहाँ टीम आएगी और अपना निरीक्षण करेंगे, वो देखेंगे और अच्छी बात है, होना चाहिए।
इस टीम के आने से कैसा लगेगा, ये फायदा कितना रहेगा जो कार्बन डेटिंग?
देखिएगा, इसमें ये पता चल जाएगा ये जो हमारे तीर्थ स्वरूप हैं, हमारे मंदिर हैं, तो इसमें जो भी हकीकत सामने आएगी।
कितना पुराना ये मंदिर है?
हमारे पूर्वज तो कहते हैं सहस्त्र वर्ष पुराना है ये। सहस्त्र वर्ष का मतलब होता है हजारों वर्ष पुराना है मंदिर, और सभी चीजें इसमें विराजमान है। जब ककैया ईंटों का बनता था, पूरा कुआं ककैया ईंटों का बना हुआ है।
ये बता देंगे ये कुआं कहाँ पे, ये जो है थोड़ा सा ये भी बता दें। Let me show you Pratibha also. This was one, there is a temple and then there also had been excavation of the well. Also this well was opened simultaneously. पंडित जी, इस कुएं की महानता बताएंगे आप जरा?
देखिएगा, कुएं की महानता ये है कि ये हमारा कुआं जो है वो तीर्थ रूपी है, और हमारे यहाँ कहा जाता है कि ये वरुण देवता हैं। वरुण देवता का पूजन होता है, जैसे घर में शादी होती है तो घुड़चड़ी पे कुआं पूजन होता है, कि वरुण देवता जो है ये हमारे मुख्य देवता है। और हमारे शास्त्रों में कहा गया है कि इसमें वरुण माने कुंभ में, कलश में जो वरुण देवता होते हैं, इसमें समस्त हमारे देवी देवता 33 कोटि देवी देवता विराजमान रहते हैं। और इन सबका ब्राह्मण लोग जो संस्कार कराते हैं उसमें वरुण में और भगवान शिवलिंग में समस्त देवताओं का आह्वान कर सकते हैं, ये हमारा शास्त्र बोलता है। और ये
लेट मी शो यू अगेन, सी amid tight security. The team will be coming out to this place. You can see the security has been deployed 24/7. Besides this, also the CCTV cameras had been installed here because they do not want any kind of untoward incident here in this region. And the team will be coming, and anytime they will be conducting a survey in this region. And you can see large number of youngsters also turning up to perform puja here, because this temple has once again established a kind of a reconnect. The people who had been away from this Sambal area for the last 46 years, they have started coming. We had been talking to them, interacting with them. Still they are not able to come out of the trauma of 1978 rights. But yes, they're happy that finally the temple has been opened, because emotions, sentiments of the people with this temple is connected. Let me speak to youngsters also. कैसा लग रहा है ये जो मंदिर खुला है और आज टीम भी आ रही है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अब से मंदिर खुला है, हम मतलब पहली बार ही आए हैं आज। तो जब से खुला है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। पहले तो हमें पता नहीं थी यहाँ पर मंदिर है।
People had no idea because since 1970 nobody had been coming out to this place.
Okay.
But yes, lot of emotions and sentiment connected with this temple. Let's see when the team will come up and what exactly they are doing. But they will be carrying
Okay.
with them equipment and everything. 4-member team will be finally going for carbon dating so that they can know about the historical age of this temple.
Okay, all right. Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those details. We will come back to you for those updates. Significant day today in Sambal as well. With that, let's shift our attention now to Jaipur. At least 4 people have died.